principal, respected teachers, and my dear fellows, Assalamu alaikum. We are celebrating Defense Day of Pakistan, a cunning enemy we had to face, but we accomplished our work with grace. Yes, my dear fellows, on 6th September in 1965 is the day when Indian attacked our dear homeland in the darkness of night like a cunning thief. The Indians were so sure of their success that they settled among themselves to celebrate the victory a few hours later in Lahore. They were armed with all kinds of weapons. Honorable principal, our history tells us that Abraha, who was a non-believer and an arrogant king, attacked scared house of Allah, led his army with black elephants. In the same manner, Indians attacked our country while their Russian and American tanks were ahead of them, and their vultures like fighters, planes hovering above in the air. But what a courage and bravery was demonstrated by the Pakistan nation. As soon as the news of the attack was heard, a wave of oneness, boldness, sacrifice, and patriotism ran through the whole nation. The entire world knows that in 1965 how the fearless, courageous, and enduring tigers of Pakistan army crushed the planned, organized, and secret aggression of the enemy. In the words of Iqbal, दश्त तो दश्त दरिया भी न छोड़े हमने, दश्त तो दश्त दरिया भी न छोड़े हमने, बहरे जुल्मत में दौड़ा दिए घोड़े हमने. Principal and respected audience, now I shall narrate briefly what we get in this war. We got a dazzling victory over a cunning enemy. We get an emotion of unity and pride in our being Muslims and Pakistanis. My dear fellows, we shall work hard to excel in all fields of learning and warfare. Defend our country till death. We shall the flag of Pakistan upstand in the committee of nation. Pakistan Zindabad.